Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the slicer and confirming the data fields you need are present. This prevents layout surprises later. Once done, switch to the Layout or View panel to enable guides and snapping so elements align predictably. Make sure the canvas size and orientation match the report or dashboard target, and set margin and padding values to control spacing. These early choices influence wrap, overflow, and responsiveness as you continue. Now you arrange and customize each slicer element, group related filters to reduce cognitive load, and use snap/grid to keep alignment consistent. As you work, decide orientation, vertical list for depth, horizontal chips for compactness, or drop-down for space savings, because that affects accessibility and scan speed. Then tweak spacing, label font sizes, and iconography. Adjust active and inactive visual states so selections are obvious. Finally, test every interaction. Single select, multi-select, clear actions, and reset behavior so you catch logic gaps. Once done, verify responsiveness at your target breakpoints and confirm keyboard and screen reader access for usability. These checks confirm the layout works across devices. If something breaks, inspect Z-order for overlapping elements, rebind event handlers that may be missing, and review conditional visibility rules. These 3 fixes resolve most stubborn layout problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.